I've never been trained like this.
Most completed 90 days program. There is a fantastic workout plans by Praveen TTLG. So there are so many plans from beginner to the advanced. So one needs to follow that, and results, guys, I can tell you, fantastic.
Hi guys, warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a healthy green omelette. Let's quickly go and watch the recipe. Hi guys, so today we are doing a healthy green omelette. Ingredients for the same. Here I have 2 whole eggs. To that I've added pink Himalayan salt and little red chili powder. Next I have is very finely chopped broccoli and mushroom. So I had already boiled the broccoli and mushroom and I have chopped them and kept. Then I have some butter and 1 slice cheese. First, we're going to put some butter in the pan. Next, we're going to add broccoli and mushroom, which is already boiled and finely chopped. So it would not take a lot of time to cook the same. It will be done really fast. Once it's little done, the next thing I'm going to do is add my 2 whole egg. There you go. And once that is getting almost well done, I'm going to add my cheese to it. Going to add some coriander, and now let the omelette cook really nicely. You can see it's getting well done. So once it's 75% done, I'm gonna flip it over. There you go. And let the cheese melt. You can also cut it in 2. There you go. And our healthy green omelette is done. And our healthy cheesy green omelette is done. And you can serve it with a homemade ketchup. I'm gonna show you the recipe of this really soon. Super healthy green omelette is ready. The benefits of the same: this is a super healthy omelette. It is an excellent meal option because it's loaded with fiber, because we have used broccoli, mushrooms. You can add any more vegetables of your choice. Also, it provides you great satiety as it's high in fiber, loaded with protein, so it makes a complete meal option. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so that you can watch amazing, awesome recipes and training videos. Thank you so much and lots of love.